Adam, how about at Red Hat? You all started in the we'll call it the container business, certainly the open source game, and have really worked your way up the value chain. Give us a top line as to what's cooking over there and what you're seeing from your perspective.
Yeah, so I like to think that at Red Hat we've been in the modernization business since we began. We've always been in the business of migrating workloads off of something else. If you think about that legacy Unix hardware that we
Good,
had in the data
good
center
analogy. Yeah,
so many years ago, so we've worked with our customers from the beginning. And how do I move a workload from A to B? And then obviously they've needed to go from B to cloud. And how do I move those workloads into the cloud while modernizing them as part of that step? So we've seen a lot of those efforts and we've worked hand in hand with our partners. I think what's been really interesting about the conversation thus far is we've heard a little bit about AI, we've heard a little bit about edge, we've heard about quantum, we've heard about automation. Those are all things that Red Hat's incredibly interested in. One of the things that I think about a lot when I think about AI is that as technologists, we tend to be very myopically focused on sort of our worldview and our domain that we're really interested in. And so your developer teams are thinking about how to use AI to make development better. Your operations teams, how do I use AI to make operations better? And obviously your security teams. But there's a whole mission out there as well that really needs to enable AI. And I think that Sonny really hit the nail on the head when he started talking about all the different sensors and drones and video and photo and all the places where those things are going to intersect. AI is much more than just text as we see with LLMs today. So I think pushing all of that to the edge as part of our modernization effort is a big focus at Red Hat as well, enabling edge processing of LLMs and bringing that compute to where it needs to be. So there's obviously a lot of excitement. Looking forward to getting into the conversation and congratulations once again on the longevity of this awesome program. And thanks for having me on it.